500 by 1000 mm and 500 by 500 mm cabinets can be easily spliced up and down, greatly meeting the different design requirements. The EA250W2 series cabinets are beautifully designed, humanized in layout, easy to install and maintain, pleasing to the eye, and have a good visual experience. Use the vacuum suction cup tool to easily perform indoor front maintenance. The operation is simple and quick. EA250W2 wallpaper LED displays have a wide range of application scenarios in indoor applications, including home theaters and indoor advertising screens in stores.